Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
In a quaint little room where the sunlight streams, 8 ducks waddle softly, weaving through dreams. Their feathers like sunshine, a shimmering hue, painting warmth on the walls as they quack and pursue. They chatter and gossip with innocent glee, a chorus of laughter as sweet as can be. Each flap of their wings sends ripples of cheer, echoing joy that draws all hearts near. On a plush velvet carpet they pirouette round, with grace in each movement they barely touch ground. The world outside fades, your troubles take flight. In this magical moment everything feels right. One duck stands apart with a curious gaze, watching the others in their jubilant play. A spark of longing lingers deep in his eyes, for friendship and laughter beneath these bright skies. He fluffs up his feathers and takes a bold step, joining the circle where merry hearts wept. And soon he is laughing with newfound delight, for love's gentle warmth makes even shadows light. Through puddles of sunlight that dance on the floor, the ducks weave their stories forevermore. In each quack lies a tale, a whisper of fate, of bonds formed in laughter that never abate. As twilight approaches and day bids adieu, the room holds its breath for what's yet to ensue. Tomorrow will come with adventures anew, but tonight they're together, just 8 ducks for 2. So let us remember this faithful scene, where joy can be found when all seems routine. For life's fleeting moments may sometimes confuse, yet happiness blooms when we're free to choose. Where with wings appear 5 ducks, body-dovey ducks.
And that,
5 ducks in the kitchen now twins, in a cozy kitchen where laughter sings. 5 little ducks spread their feathery wings, with beaks aglow and eyes full of cheer. They waddled around, bringing joy near. First was Quack, the leader so bold, with dreams of adventures and stories untold. He splashed in the sink with a giddy delight, turning bubbles to clouds that danced in the light. Next came Dilly with her apron askew, whipping up cookies. Oh, what a view! She stirred flour like magic from ancient tales spun, as sugar cascaded. What amazing fun! Then Flap joined in with a spoon held high, conducting a symphony beneath the blue sky. With pots as his drums and pans as his stage, he danced round the counter, a true-feathered sage. Atop the fridge sat wise old Drake, with tales of the pond and ripples they make. Life's but an adventure, he quacked with a grin. Embrace every moment, let laughter begin. Now here comes Peep with a sparkly charm, a sprinkle of glitter wrapped all snug and warm. She twirled through the air like a bright summer breeze, transforming each corner into magical seas. But soon came trouble, oh dear me, oh my. A knock at the door made them all jump high. In rushed a cat with mischief ablaze, the ducks huddled close in bewildered amaze. Yet courage prevailed as they hatched out a plan. Together they plotted to outsmart that sly man. They quacked loud enough to echo through halls, and soon it was Cat who scampered and sprawls. So 5 little ducks turned mischief to fun, in their bustling kitchen where memories spun through fluory scenes filled with giggles galore. Each day was an adventure worth laughing for more. 5 ducks, body-doggy-wops. 5 ducks in the kitchen, now whimsical. 5 ducks, body-doggy-wops. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh please. 5 ducks in the kitchen, oh please. 5 ducks!
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.